Here are 10 products that you can sell to make more money during this festive period, during the Christmas, during New Year, during Thanksgiving, no matter where you're watching me from, okay? If this video is what you would like to listen to watch, to learn from, then stay tuned while I take you through the 10 things that you can sell, the 10 different products, okay, that I have on this list that you can sell to make more money for yourself during this festive period. Hi, my name is Entrepreneurial EriOluwa. If this is the first time of watching me or meeting me, okay, on this channel, what I do is that I help you by teaching you to discover, to build and grow your businesses by sharing my own practical business knowledge from the lessons that I have learned in my own entrepreneurship journey and even from other practical lessons of other entrepreneurs, okay? This is just so that you can be able to fast track your own results and that you can be able to jump into your own business with, well-informed decisions. So if this is something or this content or this kind of content is what interests you, you think you need this to keep you going in your business, then subscribe to this channel, stay tuned and join the part of this community. Without much ado, let's get into today's video. So in this video, I'll be listing 10 things that you can actually sell, 10 products that are proven to sell, okay, during the festive period, especially in Nigeria. And the first one on my list is small shops and snacks. Yes. Okay, so I know that it's not just only during Christmas, okay, that you can sell this, but really during Christmas, you can sell small shops and snacks and you can make a lot of money. The second one on the list is poultry. Yes, I mean poultry like chicken, turkey, ducks, geese, name it. Poultry products sell very well in the festive period and you all know what I mean, right? Yes, poultry. Okay, so the third one is interiors and decorative or decoration items. Yes, interiors and decorative items like wreaths, decorative, flowers, things like that. All these decorative items just to make the whole place light up and to make everywhere look more beautiful. Decorative items and interiors, curtains, things like that sell more even during the festive period. Okay, the fourth one on this list is beddings, and I mean bed sheets, pillows, duvets, name it, whatever things that you can, use to make your visitors feel comfortable. Beddings generally sell very well during the festive period in Nigeria and anywhere, okay? Yeah. So the fifth one on my list is livestock. See, if you are not eating chicken or turkey, there's a strong probability or high probability that you are eating beef or whatever, especially in Nigeria. So livestock is one of the items or the products that sells very well during the festive period. Okay, the seventh one on this list is Christmas themed items. Yes, I mean Christmas items like Christmas trees, Christmas lights, Christmas caps, fireworks, things like that, things that people usually, that makes people know that, okay, this is Christmas, this is Thanksgiving, this is a New Year. All this kind of items sell very well during the festive period. Yeah. So the seventh one on the list is packaged food items. Yes, packaged food items. People package different food items that they need to gifts to people. They need to sell. They need to send out, to colleagues, to friends, and wherever. So packaged food items usually and well proven sells very well during the Christmas or festive season in Nigeria. So the eighth one on the list is clothing and wears. Name it. For children, parents want to buy new wears for festive period, okay? Adults want to buy new wears for Thanksgiving services, name it, whatever. So one of the very profitable items that you can sell are clothing and wears, okay? For both gender, for children, for adults, name it, whatever, okay? So that's one very good thing that can sell during the festive period. Number 9 is souvenirs. During the festive period, people are looking to give souvenirs, gift items, pack hampers, do all of those. You can definitely sell out souvenirs and you can make a lot of money doing that during the festive season. And the 10th one on this list is digital products. Yes, digital products. No matter what kind of digital products you're selling, during the festive period, it's a holiday period, people want to learn more. People want to join classes. People want to have time to see one thing or the other that they can get trained on, maybe to be able to maximize the coming year or to be able to maximize the period after the holiday. So digital product is definitely one of the profitable items that sells well during the festive period. If this video has informed you and helped you and opened your mind to something new, then please click on the like button so that this video can pop up even more for people to see, and kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I bring more and new content on this channel, you'll be the first to get notified. Please subscribe, it means a lot to me. I hope that this video has helped you to be informed. So it's just for education purpose. This video is to keep you to be able to know what things that you can take actionable steps towards to be able to achieve a result. This video is not a get rich quick scheme or anything like it. So if you want to learn more about business ideas and how to discover or grow and build your businesses, please check out other videos on my channel. I'm sure that you'll find one thing or the other to learn, okay? And don't just learn, take action. And while at it, don't forget to keep thriving. I will see you in my next video. Bye.